On top with tori for today, Nigerians in diaspora policy go soon come. Na Dabiri-Erewa na talk this one. Chairman for Nigerians in Diaspora Commission, Dabiri-Erewa, don throw a better light on top the ogbonge plans wey dey for Nigerians wey dey diaspora policy. As she tok say dem don already carry the policy go give Federal Executive Council make dem chook eye put. She tok say Naija pipo wey dey for diaspora need to dey vote because dem dey invest plenty money put for Naija well.
Follow the president's instruction. The commission will engage with Nigerians wherever they are to ensure that we do not take anyone for granted or neglect anyone. It's tough, it's challenging, but I know the commission is up to the task. So as we move on into the new year, we have started the process of having a diaspora database to know exactly the number of Nigerians in diaspora as accurately as we can, where hopefully we'll have a diaspora policy to be rectified by the Federal Executive Council. And then we continue our engagement. As we look into the new year, we're going to ensure we put diaspora matters on the front burner. And also we'll be engaging the National Assembly to look into the issue of diaspora voting. Nigerians in diaspora believe they should be able to vote, and remitting so much money to the country and contributing so much to the economy, we believe they deserve to vote.
Now here we see this update reach on top with tori for today. On top say Chairman for Nigerians in Diaspora Commission, Dabiri-Erewa, don throw a better light on top the plans wey the commission get for Nigerians with the diaspora. Make una sabi say na T Live Media and I bring this update come give una. And to get more of this ogbonge informate, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Like and follow us on top Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.